Hi, good to see you again. Now, you learned how to write a skeleton paragraph. You learned how to transfer that to sentence structure using your sentence structures. Now I want you to start putting in adjectives, adverbs, interjections, prepositions. Start getting familiar with that, get more comfortable with that, okay? I want you to download 3 copies of the skeleton paragraph format, and you're going to use them. They're already written out for you. And you're going to fill those in and write them in sentence format, okay? Then you're going to put those in your writing portfolio because we're going to use those 3 skeleton paragraphs to compose your essay. You're almost done with the course and you will be writing essays, okay? So go ahead and do that now and I'll see you in the next lesson.